Time to do the TLR200 steering angle modification. I'm going to cut the top tube and then heat up the down tube, bend it forward so you can get a 6mm gap in there, so essentially changing the angle by I think 6 degrees. I'm going to check that. So here we go. Woohoo, that's through. Okay, I've pressed it apart 6mm, so 6mm punch just fits in there. I've made up a little spacer, little sleeve to go in, welded on the washer, and then the magnetic. And so I'll slide that up. I'll just clean off the paint. I heated it up when I pushed it out with the port of power. So I'll tick it up and then get back to you. So here's the frame welded with the spacer inside. So that's a 6mm change in the angle. Also had to make a new tank mount. I will show you what I made it out of. Insert picture here. It came out quite good. Please add your thoughts and comments, like and subscribe. Let's grow this channel.